What if one tiny spice in your kitchen could be more powerful than you think? A spice that chefs love, that doctors study, and that has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional medicine. It looks simple, just a small brown star. But inside that star is a compound so important that scientists use it to make antiviral medicines. The spice is called star anise. But here's the real question. Is star anise actually the most powerful spice in your kitchen, or is that just another food myth? Today we're uncovering the truth about star anise, where it comes from, why it's so famous, and whether it deserves its reputation as a kitchen super spice. And by the end of this video, you may start looking at this tiny spice in a very different way. Before we explore its incredible history and powerful properties, let's start with the basics. What exactly is this beautiful star-shaped spice that has captivated cultures for centuries? Star anise is the dried fruit of a small evergreen tree, known botanically as Illicium verum. This isn't just any tree, it's quite particular about where it grows. It's native to a very specific region, thriving almost exclusively in the subtropical climates of southern China and northern Vietnam. For generations, farmers have carefully cultivated these trees, harvesting the fruit while it's still green, just before it ripens. The pods are then sun-dried, a crucial step that concentrates their flavor and gives them their characteristic woody texture and deep, reddish-brown color. The spice gets its name from its distinct star shape. A perfect pod will have 8 pointed sections, or carpels, arranged in a beautiful symmetrical star, though variations with more or fewer points are common. Tucked securely inside each of these points is a single glossy seed. While the seed has flavor, the real powerhouse is the outer shell, or pericarp. This is where the highest concentration of essential oils is found, giving both the seed and the shell a strong smell and flavor. If you hold a pod of star anise and inhale, you'll immediately notice a familiar, comforting scent. It smells a lot like licorice, or perhaps fennel and aniseed. That's no coincidence. Star anise is rich in a chemical compound called anethole. This is the very same flavor compound that gives aniseed and fennel their signature scent, creating a deep, sweet, and warm flavor. But despite the similar name and aroma, star anise is not related to the common anise plant at all. This unique, complex flavor makes star anise a cornerstone ingredient in many world cuisines. It's famously used in Chinese 5-spice powder, where it provides a foundational sweetness, the fragrant broth of Vietnamese pho soup, rich, slow-cooked braised meats, and even in spiced desserts, mulled wines, and aromatic teas. Its potency is remarkable. Just a single pod is often enough to infuse an entire dish with its deep, layered flavor. But the real story of star anise goes far beyond its role in the kitchen. For centuries, it has also been prized in traditional medicine. While star anise has been a cherished spice in Asian cuisine for centuries, its global fame skyrocketed for a reason that had nothing to do with its flavor. This beautiful, star-shaped spice, native to southern China and Vietnam, holds a secret within its woody exterior, a secret that would place it at the center of a global health story. Deep within its chemical makeup lies a compound called shikimic acid. By itself, it's a fairly simple natural compound, but in medicine, it's extremely valuable. Why? Because shikimic acid is the main ingredient used to make an important antiviral drug. That medication is oseltamivir, better known by its brand name, Tamiflu. It's one of the world's most important drugs for treating and preventing influenza, including pandemic strains. For years, star anise was the primary natural source for this vital compound, with up to 90% of the world's harvest being bought up by the pharmaceutical industry to meet the immense demand. This discovery transformed the humble spice into a strategic commodity, making it incredibly important to scientists, governments, and pharmaceutical companies around the globe. But long before modern medicine unlocked its secrets, star anise had already been a cornerstone of traditional remedies for hundreds of years, particularly in its native lands. In traditional Chinese medicine, its warming properties were highly valued. It was believed to help with a range of common ailments, including digestion, coughs, colds, and stomach discomfort. People would prepare it as a soothing tea or add it to medicinal soups and broths, relying on its gentle power to bring comfort and relief. And today, many of those traditional uses remain popular, a testament to the spice's enduring legacy as both a culinary and wellness ingredient. So why do some people call star anise a powerful spice? Because it contains several compounds that researchers believe may help the body. Some studies suggest star anise may have antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the body from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Star anise also shows antibacterial activity in some studies. That means certain compounds in it may help slow the growth of bacteria. It also contains natural compounds that may have anti-inflammatory effects. And many people drink star anise tea to help with digestion. Now that doesn't mean star anise is a miracle cure, but it does show that this spice contains more than just flavor. In the kitchen, star anise is loved for its strong and unique flavor. Many kitchens around the world keep it in their spice cabinets. The taste is easy to recognize. It's warm, slightly sweet, and has a spicy flavor similar to licorice. This flavor comes from a natural compound called anethole, which is also found in anise seeds. But star anise has a stronger, richer taste that is less sweet. Just 1 or 2 pods can transform an entire dish. The spice's woody structure allows it to release its essential oils slowly during cooking, infusing everything with its signature aroma. To unlock its full potential, many cooks bloom the spice by briefly frying it in hot oil before adding other ingredients. This simple step awakens the anethole and deepens the flavor. It's a key player in famous spice blends, most notably Chinese 5-spice powder, where it provides the sweet and fragrant notes that balance the other elements. In savory cooking, it adds incredible depth to slow-cooked dishes like stews and braised meats, where it pairs beautifully with cinnamon, cloves, and soy sauce. It's also essential for creating rich, aromatic broths for noodle soups. But its versatility extends to sweets, where it can bring a sophisticated, spicy warmth to cookies, cakes, and poached fruits like pears. It also elevates simple syrups and teas. Perhaps its most famous application is in Vietnamese pho soup. That iconic soul-warming broth gets its signature taste from star anise being simmered for hours alongside other spices, creating a layered and unforgettable flavor. It's also popular in festive drinks like mulled wine and spiced cider. The flavor is very strong, so you only need a small amount. Usually 1 or 2 pods are enough. If you add too much, the spice can overpower the dish and hide the other flavors. But here's something many people don't know. There are 2 types of star anise. One is Chinese star anise, which is safe and commonly used in cooking. The other is Japanese star anise, which is toxic and should never be eaten. The 2 look very similar. That's why it's important to buy star anise from trusted food sources. The star anise used in grocery stores and spice markets is almost always the safe Chinese variety. Still, it's a good reminder that even natural ingredients should be used carefully. So now we return to the big question. Is star anise the most powerful spice in your kitchen? The truth is, it depends on what you mean by powerful. If you mean flavor, star anise is definitely one of the most intense spices. A small amount can completely change a dish. If you mean chemical compounds, star anise does contain valuable substances like shikimic acid. But many other spices are also powerful. For example, turmeric contains curcumin. Garlic contains allicin. Cinnamon contains cinnamaldehyde. Each spice has its own strengths. So star anise may not be the single most powerful spice, but it is definitely one of the most fascinating spices in the world. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Star anise is a star-shaped spice from China and Vietnam. It has a sweet licorice-like flavor. It is widely used in cooking around the world. It contains compounds like anethole and shikimic acid, and it has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. That's a lot of power packed into one small spice. Now we want to hear from you. Do you cook with star anise? Or have you ever tried star anise tea? Comment below and tell us your favorite spice to cook with. And if you found this video interesting, hit the like button. Subscribe to Consumer's Choice Top 5. Share this video with a friend who loves cooking. We post new videos exploring the truth about foods, ingredients, and everyday products. And trust me, Some of the biggest surprises in your kitchen are still waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Consumer's Choice Top 5 video.